So here we are in front of the main gate of the Castello Veggi. The sun is shining and it's much better weather than last time we were here. And I'm very glad because I would very much like to show you a little bit more of what we intend to do with this magnificent place in the middle of Piemonte. So come on in, welcome, and let me show you a little bit more. Welcome to the Borgo main courtyard. It can be very hard to see what this is because it's heavily overgrown, but over time this entire area will become paved with stone. We may even create the Castello coat of arms in mosaic in the flooring. This area was used earlier as part of running a winery, and we're going to transform this raw area into the Castello ballroom. So over time you will see that these big open windows will be closed with some very large windows. We would have large chandeliers in the ceiling, and we would have some nice tiles on the floor, and eventually you would be able to have a nice wedding here, maybe with 80 to 100 guests. Here we are in one of the old towers. As you can imagine, this was a round tower. We are on one of the corners of the Castello, and this will over time become one of my favorite rooms, I believe. But now it's a little bit spooky, with the clothes over there and this little clown hanging on the wall, and a lot of this stuff laying around. We will, of course, some of it we will keep and maybe create a small museum. We're going to build another layer and basically recreate the height of the tower. This tower was destroyed during a war 300 years ago, but we're going to rebuild it, and on top we're going to put a room with a double bed, and then you're going to have windows with 360-degree view over the landscape. So I'm very excited about how this room will end up looking. Here we are within the area of the Castello, where I think most of the guests will find this area quite attractive. Now take a look at this stunning view over the hills of Piemonte. So this area that you see right now will hold a very large infinity pool. So you have to imagine that you can be sitting in the pool, hands up, and then you will be able to look above the scenery here in beautiful Piemonte. So here we are in front of the main church. This is a Baroque style church, and we imagined that we will create this little magnificent plaza to something with a little bit more life than what you see here today. So this is the area where we'll have the bar. It's going to be over here in the background. This area we will transform into a little nice cozy bar area where you can sit outside in the sun, enjoy a coffee, maybe an ice cream, and inside we're going to turn this into a nice looking bar. So here we are inside what will eventually become the bar area of the Castello. And I really like this room with the ceilings and the raw brick. I think we can create a very nice looking bar here. So our intent is to create something that will be attractive for the locals to visit, but also something that will be a little bit more than what you can expect in a village in the middle of Piemonte.